Ready.
So when I was looking for windows, you know, hey, sorry.
It's okay.
So when we were looking for windows, I went online. I looked at different companies. I had different people coming out with different prices, and doing my research, I discovered Softlight windows, and I heard the reviews were really good on them. So then I tried to find out how to get Softlight windows, and that's when I found that Zen was a seller and installer for Softlight. And at that point I contacted Zen Windows, Dennis, and great guy. He's a great communicator from day one. He's always very well calling back, getting a price quote right away. I thought the price was very fair, if not better than a lot of the competitors out there for a far less, well, more inferior window. And it was a no-brainer. And they came out, we did a great job. They had everything scheduled, everything set up. They came out when they were supposed to be here. Dennis constantly set up reminders, and they came out, and yeah, we got great windows. Happy with the work. All of the neighbors love our windows, and we did run into a little hiccup. Not Dennis's fault, not Zen's fault. And came back out, put the new one in, it looks great. Can't complain. I'm super happy with everything. We really appreciate Dennis and the services that he provides for us, and thanks again.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.